Imagine finding the man or woman of your dreams by GPS. Move over online dating. This new and growing way of meeting potential mates is skyrocketing. But what are the risks? And could you even be putting yourself in danger? KMIR 6 investigates this high-tech love line.
It's hip, it's high-tech, and using a GPS-based dating app in his smartphone is how Sam Hyde met his fiancée, Nina.
I was a little skeptical at first. I thought, this is going to tell people where I am.
But when Sam checked in through his GPS app, he found out Nina was standing in line at the same place he was. They messaged to meet up, and
we just locked eyes, and it was love at first sight. Love at first text.
How many others are finding love the smartphone way? Our exclusive survey of major GPS dating app providers found the trend is taking off. Singles Around Me says approximately 20,000 singles are installing the app each week. OkCupid tells us 1 million of its 3 million users use the GPS features. And How About We estimates that about 1 in 4 of its online daters are now incorporating location-based dating into their search for a soulmate.
It's revolutionizing the way people are using their phones in order to meet people in the real world.
Each app works a little differently. When you check in on some, your profile and general location are automatically published to other singles nearby who can message you if they want to meet. This app reveals your exact location down to the street corner. But is it safe?
You don't know who you're dealing with, and if you're dealing with a photo, you don't know if it's that person's photo, or if it's real, if it's made up.
Sam says he had a frightening experience when a man posed as a woman to lure him into one meeting.
I could very easily have been in danger.
One of the biggest problems with GPS dating is the immediacy of it.
Investigative consultant Alan Rosenthal wrote the book on safer online dating. He says in regular online dating, you have time to exchange emails or talk on the phone before you actually meet. But with GPS, you could be face-to-face in minutes.
You have no time to vet them or even to think about what your actions, your interactions, or the ramifications are going to be.
Just this year, 3 teens were sexually assaulted when they met men posing as teens on the GPS app Scout. As a result, Scout made massive changes to its teen site, including removing location technology. Meet Moi, which sends profiles of people in your general location, told us nothing is more important to us than user safety and says we never share a user's exact location. Singles Around Me says the app has privacy options that allow them to turn off their location GPS or to hide their profile. How About We says it's had no problems. Sam says he's learned the risks and rewards of GPS dating are high and high-tech.
It's the future. Get used to it.
Some more safety tips about GPS dating. Always meet in a public place. Always make sure someone knows where you are. And just because you meet via GPS dating doesn't mean you have to meet on the spot. You can always set up another time to meet in person and perhaps email or talk on the phone first. And no matter what your question or your problem is, we want to hear from you. KMIR 6 is committed to making the Coachella Valley a better place to live. You can email us or you can even call our newsroom. You ask, we investigate.